What's going on, traders? Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, guys, I'm gonna show you the mistakes that you do, right? Doesn't want to let you become a profitable trader, all right? Unless if you are led to fix your mistakes, then you're going to become profitable trader in a forex market. So if you are not a profitable yet in a forex market, this video is for you. All right, so before we jump to the video, guys, please, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and like the video. And if you feel like you want to join the team, the link is always in the description below. You can click a free Telegram group, then you'll be ready to join the team. All right, so please understand this video is for only these who are not profitable yet. And if you really going to make sure that you follow what I'm about to share with you, you're going to become profitable trader, no cap. So let's jump to the video, guys. So as you can see on the chart, guys, we have a UDCAD, you know what I'm saying? So guys, this is the first thing that is going to help you become a profitable trader in a forex market, you know what I'm saying? As you can see, guys, here we been buying these currencies from here. It's been moving high, you know what I'm saying, to the zone, and high lows, you know what I'm saying, and went to the zone, high, you know what I'm saying, and break the zone, you know what I'm saying, and give us another high lows. As you can see, guys, it's been moving high lows, but it's always coming back to it was always coming back to the zone, and then it gave us another high, but couldn't break this zone right here. You can see here it didn't break another zone right here, and give us some double top, and then give us high low, but it didn't break the trend line at the same time, and it give us another 30 touch at the trend line, at the zone, you know what I'm saying. And then after that, you know what I'm saying, break the zone right here, break the trend line right here, all the way to this zone right here. So what do we expect next? I know everything that you see on the market today, the same thing is going to happen by tomorrow, you know what I'm saying. The same thing is going to happen tomorrow. So what are we expecting now? So as me, trader, profitable, I know what is about to happen. I'm waiting to see something like this. The market, it must come back right here to confirm the pullback right here, to confirm the pullback right here, you know what I'm saying. Do something like this, all right? And then once it start going down, I'll be like, yo, you know what, the market now is coming on downtrend, because you can see that it's already changed the direction by breaking the trend line, and it's already giving me the 30 touch on the trend line. So now what I'm waiting for, guys, I'm waiting for the pullback, and then I'm gonna enter right here. Once I enter right there, I'm gonna wait. Once the market break this zone right here, you know what I'm saying, right here, then I'll be comfortable, like, yo, you know what, it's time to drop all the way to this point over here. So I'm gonna wait, and then once the market reaches this point, I'm gonna put I'm gonna wait for the confirmations candlesticks right here, and then the market, once the market drop and break this zone right here, and I'm gonna wait for another pullback, which is going to be somewhere around here, then I'm gonna enter with another trade, because I'm expecting to kill this market all the way to this point over here, you know what I'm saying, over here. So guys, the message that I have for you today, guys, is to be patient. You know, be patient. Patient is everything in the forex market, you know what I'm saying, because here you won't be like, you can't be this patient as a being. You know, I've been patient since the market was at this point right here, but I've been patient. I've been like, yo, let me wait until today, guys. I'm still waiting. So don't get tired to be waiting. You know what I'm saying? Don't get tired to be patient in the market. This is how you're going to save your capital, and this is how you're going to grow your account every single day. Guys, patience is everything. Don't overtrade in a forex market. Do not overtrade in a forex market. If you are a daily trader, this is how you trade as a daily trader, right? You take the opportunity, you put the stop loss, you put the take profit, all right? And then you let the market move itself, all right? You even stay away from the market. You come back later on. Let's say you just took the trade 9 a.m. You might come back maybe 8 p.m. because you put your stop loss, you put the take profit, all right? You come back later at maybe 6 p.m. just to check if the market has, give you your TP yet. And if the market didn't give you your TP yet, you take your profit. Whatever profit you have, you take it. That's the daily trader, right? Which means you take something that you got for the day, right? Any amount that I got today, I make sure I take it today. And tomorrow, I'm gonna find another new opportunities for tomorrow, right? And if you are a scalper, you need to know, hey, my job is to catch 10 pips, all right? So what I'm looking for in the market is to find the market that has 10 pips. I put the stop loss, I put the take profit, 10 pips. The market hit my 10 pips, I'm out. You are a scalper, all right? If you're a swing trader, you find the market that is gonna give you, like, let's say like 100 pips, 200 pips, and you put the stop loss, you took the take profit, and then you swing that trade. You swing that trade until the day it's gonna give you take profit. If it's gonna take a week, which you don't mind, you're just gonna, you don't even have time to be at the market watching at the trade that you took. Let's say I just took the trade today. I just gonna come back maybe after 2 days just to see how the trade goes. You know what I'm saying? So this is the difference, guys, of being a swing trader and daily trader and scalp. But guys, most important thing I can let you know, we've been through many ways of trading, but I don't recommend you to become a scalper trader. I don't really recommend you to scalp the market. For sure, I don't recommend you to become a scalper, to scalp the market, because scalping the market is gonna make you lose a lot. For sure, trust me, it's gonna make you lose a lot. I don't recommend you to become a scalper, because imagine the market is moving 5 pips, you take the profit. The market is moving 10 pips, you take the profit. The market is moving, so you like, the market is going up, you buy. It's going down, you sell. It's going up, you buy. But what you can understand is the market per day, it can only take one direction. Either it's uptrend, either it's downtrend. So why don't you join just one trend? If the market is going up, join the uptrend once and relax. You know what I'm saying? If the market is going down, join the trend once and relax. Sell that currency, relax for the whole day, and then take your profit. Get out of the market. It might be 1 trade a day, 2 trade a day, 3 trade a day, but not in the market every single second, bro. Every single 5 minutes. Can you imagine how many times you're going to lose per day? Because the market it's on uptrend. Whatever shows you like a small signal as if it's coming down, as if it's done giving the continuation as a buyer, and then you're gonna enter with the seller, but all along deep down the market is on uptrend. What is that? Stop being a scalper, bro, like for sure. But guys, this is what I have for you today. So make sure don't overtrade the market. I don't recommend you guys to become a scalp to scalp the market. And the other thing, guys, make sure do the right things, right? Fix your mindset, right? And be patient in the market. Patient in the market. Patient in the market. And make sure every single time you have something you're waiting for. Don't just jump in the market and start buying and start selling. This way you're going to lose your money. Peace out, guys. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and if you need more content like this, see you on the next one.